Hi, welcome to Rocket Health Tips. In today's video, we will talk about 6 healthy summer foods which can protect your skin. There are certain types of food that can help provide a layer of protection on your skin, which can reduce the damage wrought about the sun. If you want to take care of your skin during the hot, summer season, you should add these foods to your diet. Please note that watch the entire video to get full details about these 6 healthy summer foods which can protect your skin. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest health tips and videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 we have carrots. This orange vegetable is usually associated with better eyesight, but it can also help your skin too. This is due to the beta-carotene that it contains, which can help slow down the damage caused by free radicals. When combined with vitamin E, your skin will get adequate protection against the sun. At number 2 we have blueberries. Summer fruits like blueberries are quite helpful with regards to taking care of your skin during the summer, because of the antioxidants that they contain. Antioxidants work by combating free radicals which can leave your skin dry and damaged. You can add some of these fruits to your breakfast oatmeal to give you that burst of flavor and nutrients too. At number 3 we have almonds. Vitamin E is what makes almonds a good addition to your diet, as it helps with skin repair and protection from UV rays. Compared to those who haven't eaten any almonds prior to exposing themselves to the sun, those who consumed almonds showed less skin damage. The next time you're thinking of what healthy snack to bring to the beach, choose almonds. At number 4 we have watermelon. We all know that tomatoes contain lycopene, but did you know that watermelon has more of this nutrient compared to others? Consuming foods that contain lycopene help absorb the UVA and UVB rays coming from the sun, but you will need to start having this fruit week before you are planning on enjoying the beach. This won't be hard to do, as watermelon can help hydrate you too. What's more, it also helps act as natural sunscreen protection, which can keep your skin from getting burned too easily. At number 5 we have leafy greens. If you wish to protect your skin this summer, you should start loading up on leafy greens like kale, spinach, lettuce, Swiss chard, and the like, because they are packed with antioxidants, zeaxanthin, as well as lutein. These nutrients can help slow down cell growth that is causing pigmentation on your skin. And because it is summer, you can easily make a light salad for your lunch or dinner, which can also help you feel cool too. At number 6 we have turmeric. This spice has been used in Chinese medicine as well as Ayurvedic medicine because it is considered as one of the best sources of antioxidants. What's more, turmeric is also a known anti-inflammatory, hence it will help soothe your skin. When consumed regularly, turmeric will create a layers of protection on the epidermis of your skin, which can cause UVB rays to simply bounce off your skin. Your skin shouldn't be left unprotected against the sun. That is why, aside from wearing sunscreen regularly, you should make it a point to add these foods to your diet to help protect you from within. This way, you will be ready to enjoy the summer. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these health tips, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.